I don't want to say foolish. It's not. I really don't understand what you mean because the smaller screen, I don't understand. Maybe when you say nag-open, ano na to? Nag-open. Akala ko loading pa, kaya tuloy na paano. She is on a diet, smaller size today. Yes, I am a smaller size today. Oh. Did you see me, Mikey? Very small in screen. Ano, I don't know what Bible Day is talking about. I'm I'm not good in English to understand the ano for the 10K congratulations. Yes. Yes, court. We have, no? Full screen deeds. You're in a small background now. Really? Really? Screen is narrow. How can I return back there? Okay. Wait for me. Vertical size. No, I think because there is something I press, I show in the email. Because I press something like invite other friends, and then I saw it, and then I returned back to the screen. I have big here. I am in a big screen here. Wait lang. I don't see my face. What my face? Why is small? Wait lang. But it is clear. Really? Make me scared. Why no one will complain? Only Bible this can sew it. Ay, ay, complain si Bible Days lang ang nagsabi. Talaga naman to na. Nyo. Okay, wait lang guys. I am going to remove that small sayo again. The only way to get back to normal screen deeds is you have to eat a jumbo hot dog. Everyone calls us TikTok frame. Deeds, your screen is too narrow. Okay. It's really nice. A narrow, small people can enter there. Wait lang. Uh, uh, see myself. Hmm. To see myself here first. Tagal. Meron akong allergy. Yes, I like narrow. You know. Then a big gate. Little people only can enter the narrow gate. Ay, ay. Ayan, oo nga. Oo nga. Oo nga. Yeah. Nabuang kasi tong ano eh. Mm. Ayan oh, wala man lang nag-complain. Paano ko kaya mabalik to? How can I return back to Zoom?